Hi there, Chef Amelie here, and today I'm going to show you how to plant a fall garden. So I just made this raised bed out of my roommate's old bed. So I trimmed it, screwed it together, and filled it with some raised bed potting soil. Fun little project. And this is in the front of my house in Northeast Portland, and today I'm going to plant it. So I got some ornamental kales, which they look nice all winter, and they'll also be edible for us should it come to that. And then I have some organic garlic that I got at the farmer's market. So these cloves, I'm just going to plant them in the ground, maybe 2 inches deep and maybe 4 inches apart. And then in the summer, they'll shoot up sprouts in the spring, and then in the summertime we can harvest them, and 1 clove is going to make a whole head of garlic. So I'm going to have a ton of homegrown garlic to braid up and hang in my kitchen to use all year, which is super awesome. I also got some elephant garlic at the farmer's market, and these are huge cloves. They're actually related to leeks, and so they're really sweet, mild version of garlic, so I'm excited. I've never grown this before, so it's an experiment. And then lastly, I have some fava beans I'm going to put in. So these are going to overwinter, and then in the spring pop up and produce a lot of protein-rich beans for us, and we can make stews with them and soups and dips. And then also the plant fixes nitrogen in the soil because it's in the leguminous family. So after I harvest the pods, I pull out the plants, and then my soil here is going to be nice and full of nitrogen so that I can put in my summer crops and they'll be super happy. So let's get started. Now that I planted all my fava beans and garlic, all I have to do is cover up the holes and water them in. Thank you so much for planting my fall garden with me. I hope this has inspired you to start your own garden and plant things. In Oregon, we can grow things all year, which is pretty awesome. You can find me at ameliestable.com, on Instagram and YouTube for more cooking and gardening videos. Take care.